Today I'm going to take you through the Tommee Tippee anti-colic complete feeding set. Let's take a look inside the box. Electric steriliser, food and bottle warmer, 4 9-ounce anti-colic bottles, 2 insulated bottle bags for when you're on the go, 4 milk powder dispensers, a teat brush, teat tongs and a soother. As you can see, the Tommee Tippee anti-colic complete feeding set has everything that you need to make feeding simple, both at home and on the go. Today I'm going to demo the Tommee Tippee electric steriliser. While I won't be using this for a while, it's good to get some practice in.